Hello, my name is Steve. I'm a tour guide with RVA on Wheels since 1997. We want to take you today on a virtual tour of some of Richmond's canal system, and let's go exploring together. We are down at the location at the corner of 9th and Carey Streets, and the James River Company in about 1800 came into this area and built what's known as the Great Basin. It was a 3-square block body of water about 12 feet deep, which allowed the canal boats to come into the downtown area, unload, turn around, reload, and go back up the canal. This statue is known as Winds Up. As you can see from looking at the statue, there may be several aspects of it that are not entirely appropriate for the turning basin and the canal. Number one, the men pictured have no clothes on them. And number two, the focal point of the statue is mast and sails. Canal boats, ironically, did not have masts and sails. They were pulled by horses and mules on what was known as a towpath. As the canal was extended up to Lynchburg, Virginia, passenger service took 33 hours or an overnight trip to go the 100 miles between Richmond and Lynchburg.